Inside this spotless facility, raw sheepskins arrive and automation instantly takes control, precision from the very first cut. Each hide is washed in a closed, high-tech tunnel, purified, sanitized, and ready for transformation. Scanning lasers examine every square millimeter, detecting thickness and texture with microscopic accuracy. Robotic arms, guided by AI vision, sort hides by grade with flawless coordination and speed. Mechanical frames stretch each hide evenly, preparing the fibers for soft yet durable fabric creation. This immense zero-emission factory merges traditional materials with advanced, sustainable engineering. Humidity-controlled drying corridors strike the perfect balance between moisture and softness. Sensors track temperature gradients in real time. Every data point ensures consistency. HEPA and UV filtration keep the air pristine, purity vital for flawless results. Dimensional accuracy within fractions of a millimeter. Automation leaves no tolerance unchecked. Human oversight pairs with algorithms. Operators watch data instead of lifting loads. Softening happens through enzyme treatment, no harsh chemicals, clean tech engineering at its finest. After treatment, squeeze rollers extract moisture while capturing and recycling every drop. Computer vision evaluates the fiber weave and instantly adjusts mechanical pressure. Processed hides feed toward the weaving sector, the moment skin meets fabric form. Here hides transform fibers woven through circular looms at dazzling velocity. Hundreds of drying vaults operate in perfect harmony, efficiency at an industrial symphony scale. Computer vision evaluates the fiber weave and instantly adjusts mechanical pressure. Here hides transform fibers woven through circular looms at dazzling velocity. Laser grids tag and cut hides with digital exactness, shaping each piece to optimized yield. Natural proteins align into fine thread, biology and technology in seamless union. Robots wind thousands of meters of yarn, labeling and arranging them for weaving precision. Blending ratios updated live, software ensures every variant meets strict textile standards. AI-driven quality gantries scan textures microscopically, imperfections vanish from production. Weaving machines stretch and interlace threads, forming continuous sheets of advanced leather fabric. Lab teams verify softness, elasticity, and density, scientific precision behind every meter. Next, color infusion. Fully sealed dyeing systems prevent spills and pollution. Automated mixers create hues with digital recipes accurate to a single drop. Textures dive through iridescent dye baths, an art show powered by precision engineering. Ultrasound replaces heat, saving energy while keeping fabric supple and strong. Automated color calibrators match tone and brightness precisely across every roll. In the finishing hall, robotic polishers give the fabric its signature gleam and feel. Microtexturing enhances grip and luster, industrial artistry in motion. Protective nanocoats repel water and stains, turning the humble hide into future-ready material. Automated folding systems package fabrics with the geometry of perfection. Smart labels assign identity and traceability, every piece logged and trackable worldwide. Autonomous lifts navigate by laser grid, orchestrating zero-collision motion. Loading docks lock onto vehicles automatically, smart logistics closing the loop. In the Innovation Lab, new structures and eco-processes are scaled from experiment to industry. Sustainability threads through every layer, solar power keeping the process carbon light. Central control orchestrates hundreds of subsystems, keeping factory rhythm continuous. Distribution begins in this pristine, robot-run warehouse, efficiency on monumental scale. The result, flawless, flexible, strong fabric born from centuries of tradition and automation brilliance. From couture to cockpit, this fabric's journey extends across industries. Innovation, tradition, and technology woven together in one immaculate process, from sheepskin to fabric.